we ordered several items from Temu, and one of the items looked very different from what we actually saw online. Doesn't mean this is what I ordered, this is what I got. So guys, our package just arrived today, and honestly, we don't know whether what is inside this package is good or not, because from what we've heard and we've seen online, Charlie, the what we ordered versus what we got, people ordering for wardrobe and all they get is stickers and stuff. I mean, it's one of those things. This is the first time we are ordering from Temu, and the reason being that initially we weren't in for it, because from what people are saying online and stuff like that, it was so discouraging. But one way or the other, I had to speak to one or two, tech guys, and they gave me the understanding that every online company have their strength. So Temu, for instance, it was explained to me that they are very good when it comes to petty things, not the big things like sofa and things. No, it's not advisable to buy sofa from Temu, but it's advisable to buy petty things like the tripod stand, like the chains, like other things. I mean, the petty things that you can just buy in any other shops. As you can see, it has the name and everything on it, the address and everything. And then, as you can see, it is sealed. Yeah, it is sealed. So we are now coming to take off the seal. One thing I love about Temu is that the way you are able to keep track of your items, your package. So they give you updates on whether it has moved from the warehouse to the airport to the shipping and whatever. And when it arrives to, you are able to see it on the app. I think that is very important. That is very good of them. Kudos to you guys. So let's start with this. Yeah, this is the first thing. And let me see how it is. Okay. So I think it comes along with a USB and a Type C port. Yeah, I think for charging. Charlie, I hope this one will not be what I ordered versus what I got. Oh wow. Yeah, guys, it is form. Yeah. Okay, let me just slot it. Let me just put it in my ears and see. Some of the earpods, when you buy them, the moment you put it in your ears, you feel uncomfortable. Yeah, it feels so uncomfortable. Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, this one feels good. Yeah, guys, live home. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think this one is okay. The first thing is our wireless earpod. Then okay, good. We also ordered for this bracelet. Yeah, this bracelet. Oh, okay. Double wrapper. Oh wow, I love this. Hey, why is it because it's our first time? That is why we are getting this special treatment or what? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh wow, I love this. Yeah. So guys, this more or less like this African Caribbean bracelet stuff. Yeah. Let me fix it and see. I mean, we order them now. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh wow. Yeah. Hey, Temu is Temuing. Yeah. I mean, you know that, guys. Okay. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. Yeah. Charlie, guys, how does it look? There are four more. Yeah, so it means when I put it on my wrist, it will look very good. Oh, fantastic. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Hey guys, you see wait. Oh wow. Oh, this look good. This is so guys. Um this is a necklace. Yes, chain we ordered. Oh wow. I thought it would be some alumi, some alumi konkobio. No, I like the heaviness. Yeah, I like that. I don't think this one will rust. Yeah, wow, it's very thick, guys. Let me put it on and see. Let me see the drip. Mm. Oh yeah, come on, give it. Charlie, clock it, clock. Yeah, I love it. Oh wow. Yeah, very nice. And oh okay. Yes, yeah, it came along with a bracelet. Yes, I saw this one as well. Oh wow, I like the heaviness. All this while I was thinking about some alumi konkobio. Hey, lady best, come and see you. Come and see. Okay, then the ring. I think this ring is bigger than my hand, my finger. Oh, okay. Yeah, but this one feels like alumi some way. Yeah, but it's not alumi. Well, yeah. So guys, what do you think? Yeah, I'm dripping. I'm dripping. Dripping. I'm dripping. I'm dripping. I'm dripping. Yeah, dripping. Temu in the building. Temu in the building. Yes. Okay. So let me just put this one to here, and then. But by the way, I like the way they've wrapped the whole thing. Yeah. Okay. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah. This one. This one. This one. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah. 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 So this one is also a not done necklace, more or less like the African, African culture necklace stuff. Yeah, yeah, I love it. I love it. I think it looks the same as we saw it online. Yeah, guys, what do you think? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it's okay. Let me quickly put it on in and see. Oh yeah, guys, what do you think? Yeah, I think this is beautiful. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Yeah. Um, yeah, mostly when the diasporans come down to Africa and stuff, yeah, they try to get things like this. Yeah, I think it's very, very nice. Yeah, it's a woven leather stuff. Yeah, and the other part is thread. Yeah, yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yes, this is one of the most important things that we decided to buy. Yes. Okay, so this is a selfie stick. Yes, we decided to buy this selfie stick because it plays a multi-purpose role. It also serves as a tripod stand. Yeah, portable tripod stand. And the main idea is that usually when we go out, it is difficult carrying the long tripod stand. So having something like this, you just put it on your table, put it on any platform, and then we are good to go. Yeah, I think I'm loving it. We will put it to use when we are finally ready. Yes, guys. Yeah. So I love it. I mean, when you are holding this, and I'm sure you can pull it as well. Yes, guys. Wow, I love this. Yeah. Guys, what do you think? Hey, hey. Yeah. Hey, lady bass. Haha. Your selfie stick is in, man. This is the last item in the package. And this is what actually pushed us to take this risk. And I think even though it doesn't look like what we actually saw online, but I think I'm loving it. So guys, this is it. Yes. Ta-da! Yep. Guys, do you know what this is? This is a wireless microphone, an upgraded version of what we are having, what we've been using. And this one is so sleek and so portable to the extent that like I love it. I don't know, but it is one of the guys. Look, oh my god, yes. And guys, this is what I was saying that all right, this thing looks so bigger. I don't know why it looks so smaller here, but anyway, let's unbox it. Yeah, so it comes with a charger. I'm sure this will be a charger. Yes, let me drop this. I'm sure this will be a charger. Yep. Okay, yeah, so it's a USB type C port. Yeah, that is, I'm sure it's meant for the charging. And then let me see. Yeah, now, okay, so you take it off like this. Wow. Oh, I like the packaging. I love the packaging. Mwah! I love the packaging, man. Yes. Oh my god, this is so sleek, man. Damn it. So guys, let's open. Whoa. Damn. Yes. So this is how it is. So you take it out like this. So guys, you see, it comes with a clipper at the back. But the most fascinating thing about it is that you can detach the clipper from the microphone itself. And this is especially when probably maybe you don't want people to see the clipper like this, because it has a magnet attached to it. You can easily do this and then nobody sees it. So the magnet holds it like this, and then you are gone. You are gone. So assuming I want to put this here without necessarily not clipping it, I'll just put the clipper which has the opposite magnet. I'll just put it in my shirt. Let's say, yeah, let me just demonstrate it like this. Perfect. And it's as simple as that. And this is an upgraded version of this. So guys, in fact, I'm loving this. I'm in love with this. This is the way. This is the way. Lady Bex, we are in love. So I think one thing that I also love about it is if you look deep inside, you realize there are terminals in it that charges that charges the microphone. So this part where the seal is has the outlets, yes, where you can easily plug in like this, and then it will begin charging. So I think I love this. I love this, and I think the price was cool. Though we are yet to use it. After seeing it, this is the receiver. Yes, this is the receiver, fresh, and then we have the other one here. So this one will be used for podcasts. We'll be using it for podcasts. We'll be using it for interviews and other things. Yes. So you put it in like this. This one also has the terminal in it, and you put it in like this. I just love the package. But guys, when we spotted it online, it was huge. It was larger than this. Only for it to come in. Yeah. So it means that with Temu, there is always what I ordered versus what I got. I mean, yeah, you can't take it from them, but I think they've done well. You know, we love the package. We love the package. I love this. So behind it is where you can charge. It has the slot where you can charge it. And guys, we are here to put it to use. We are here to charge all those that we need to charge. And Temu, if we try these things, if we try these items and they are not able to function well, as usual, we'll be sending them back. No big deal. No wahala. Other than that, we will come cut here. Yeah. So comment in the comment section if you have ever bought any item from Temu. We want to see more than 100 comments in the comment section. If you ever if you've ever received what I bought versus what I got, or you got what you bought, guys, comment in the comment section and let's interact. This is Philbeck TV. We out.